Next, we will demonstrate the bullion stitch. It can be used for flowers or plant leaves. The embroidered effect is very dimensional, both delicate and beautiful. First, we'll use 6 strands of floss, color number 6. Bring the needle up above the line. Bring the needle down below it. Point the needle upward. Bring the needle up next to where it went down. Pick up the floss. Wrap it around the needle. Form a small loop. Repeat this action. Wrap slightly longer than the pattern line. Hold down the wrapped floss with your left hand. Pull up the needle with your right hand. Make sure to hold the loop firmly. This prevents it from slipping. Following the direction of the stitch, slowly pull to adjust the position. Slightly adjust the shape with the needle. Bring the needle down next to it for the final stitch. The bullion stitch is now complete. Now let's look at this flower pattern beside it. It's made from multiple bullion stitches combined. Let's demonstrate this. We'll use 6 strands of floss, color number 7. Bring the needle up at the flower's center. Bring it down below this point. Gently press down the floss with your fingers. Bring the needle straight up. Hold the floss with your right hand. Wrap it around the needle. Only wrap 4 to 5 times here. Push the needle upward. Press down the wrapped floss with your left hand. Pull the floss up. Follow its direction. Pull down slowly. This small bullion stitch is complete. Bring the needle down next to it. Bring the needle up at the top position. Bring it up vertically from below. Wrap the same number of times here. Keep both sides even. Adjust the shape with hands or needle. Bring the needle down at this position. These 2 small bullion stitches form the flower center. Now we'll make 2 large bullion stitches. These will wrap around the small stitches we just made. Bring the needle up from the middle right. Bring it down about 1/3 across. Bring the needle straight forward. Now we begin wrapping. Push the needle up slightly. This makes wrapping easier. Or support under the needle with your hand. This creates a support point, making it easier to wrap. We'll wrap a bit longer here. Wrap to approximately this length. Push the needle upward. Hold down the wrapped floss. Pull the needle straight up. Follow its direction. Adjust its position. Adjust by hand or with the needle. Bring the needle down next to it. Follow the previous steps. Complete the remaining embroidery. Adjust size and shape to follow the flower's direction. Continue until the fabric pattern is covered. Bring the needle down for the final stitch. The bullion stitch rose is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.